I just got a notification that a parcel was delivered, so I'll go and get it. This is Lore by Alexandra Bracken and it released on January 5th this year, and I had placed a pre-order copy for this. It has a special chapter annotated by the author and the cover is slightly different with a 3D-ish effect. It's a young adult fantasy and it's said to be a mashup of Hunger Games and Greek mythology. Because I had placed a pre-order, I got to read the first few chapters ahead of the release. It was a part of their marketing. I usually don't read a lot in this genre, but as a part of my this year's goals, I want to read more in other genres other than my usual go-tos. So Lore is a standalone contemporary fantasy. Every 7 years, the Aegon begins. As punishment for a past rebel, 9 Greek gods are faced to walk the earth as mortals. They are hunted by the descendants of ancient bloodline, all eager to kill a god and seize their divine power and immortality. Long ago, Lord Perseus fled that brutal world, turning her back on the Huns' promises of eternal glory after her family was murdered by a rival line. For years, she's pushed away any thoughts of revenge against the man, now a god, responsible for their death. Yet, as the next hunt draws over New York City, 2 participants seek her out. Castor, a childhood friend Lore believed to be dead, and Athena, one of the last of the original gods, now bravely wounded. The goddesses offer Lore an alliance against their mutual enemy and a way to leave the Aegon behind forever. But Lore's decision to rejoin the hunt, binding her fate to Athena's, will come at a deadly cost, and it may not be enough to stop the rise of a new god with the power to bring humanity to its knees. The book does have something like a trigger warning, which I deeply appreciate. It's something I see more authors are doing now, and as a reader, I really appreciate that. I'm excited to read it and I'll try to vlog it and share my final thoughts. I share my bookish thoughts on my All Things Bookish book club. For the past year, I wasn't very active, 2020. I like that we can just say 2020 and everyone gets exactly what we mean. I'm planning to be more active and revive my book club this year. If you're interested, the link to my book club is in the show notes. You'll also find all the details on my website, and I'll see you in the next one.